Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we can't fix a drawing. Even after purging, removing reg apps, and auditing, your drawing still refuses to function properly. For example, your drawing crashes frequently, it takes forever to make a change in your file, error messages pop up when opening or working on your drawing, and perhaps missing elements entirely. There are two ways to repair a corrupted drawing. The first method is using the wblock command. What this does is convert your drawing into a block. Then you open up a new drawing and insert it as a block. First, open the affected drawing and type wblock in the command line. A new window pops up, and in the source here, this determines what kind of objects or how many things you want to write into this new drawing. So for us, we're going to choose the entire drawing since we want to save the whole thing. Then, down here in File Name and Path, we choose a location to save the drawing block. At the end of the path there, you can change the name to make it more identifiable. In units, this is for automatic scaling. So here, the units are automatically set to what your drawing originally has. So we'll keep it as meters here because that's what we have in the drawing. Click OK, and it should save to the location you specified. Next, we want to open a new drawing entirely with the correct template. I'm using the ANZ template here as that is what the original drawing had. Now we go into our Insert tab and we insert it as a block. Here you want to have the Explode option checked. And there you have your wblock drawing inserted into the new drawing. The second method is used only if your drawing is mostly made of Civil 3D data. In this case, we export the drawing as a Land XML file, then import the Land XML back into a new file, similarly to what we just did for the wblock. First, open the corrupted drawing. At the top of the ribbon, going into the Output tab, we click Export to Land XML. By default, the whole drawing will be selected in this pane here. So if you wanted to export only a couple of objects, for example, you might want to export objects one by one to see which object is causing your issue. Then you can choose from this tree which ones you want exported. For us, we want the whole drawing, so this is what we want, so we'll leave it as is. Give the XML file a new name and save. Now, just like before, we open a new drawing with the correct template, then head over into the ribbon. We're going to go to our Insert tab and click Import Land XML here on the Import panel. So here we have our previously corrupted drawing into a brand new file, and it should work as usual. Thank you for listening and have a great day.